Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Smart for Home. Today, we're going to show you a quick and easy tutorial on how to change subtitles on your FireStick or Fire TV device. Whether you're watching your favorite shows or catching up on the latest movies, having the right subtitles can enhance your viewing experience. So, let's dive right in. 1. First things first, make sure your FireStick or Fire TV is turned on and connected to your TV. Now, using your remote, navigate to the content you want to watch. Once you've selected your video, go ahead and play it. 2. Alright, so here we are on the home screen. Let's select the video from our library. 3. Perfect. Now that our video is playing, it's time to adjust the subtitles. 4. To change the subtitles, simply press the menu button on your remote. This will bring up a menu at the bottom of the screen. 5. From here, navigate to the subtitles option and press the select button on your remote. 6. You'll now see a list of available subtitle languages. Scroll through the list and select the language you prefer. 7. Once you've selected your desired language, press the select button again to confirm. Conclusion. And just like that, your subtitles are now changed. You'll see them appear on the screen in your chosen language. See, it's that simple. Now you can enjoy your favorite content with subtitles in the language of your choice. Whether you're learning a new language or just need a little extra help understanding, changing subtitles on FireStick or Fire TV is a breeze. Thanks for watching.